for cat, C for cat, soft and cute. With a meow it's hard to refute. D for dog, loyal and true. They'll always be there for you. E for elephant. E for elephant, big and tall. With a trunk he stands strong and all. F for fish, swimming in the sea. Colorful and lively, wild and free. G for goat, grazing on the hill. Jumping around with a joyful thrill. H for hat, stylish and neat. Put it on and feel complete. I for ice cream, cold and sweet. A summer delight, a sugary treat. J for jump, up you go. Leap in the air, high and low. K for kite, flying in the sky. Watch it soar, oh so high. L for lion, the jungle's king. With a mighty roar, he's the real thing. M for moon, shining so bright. Lighting up the calm, quiet night. N for nest, home for a bird. Where little chirps are always heard. O for owl, wise and bold. Watching the night as stories unfold. P for parrot, color so bright. Talking away, what a delight. Q for queen, ruling with grace. Her royal crown always in place. R for rainbow, colors in the sky. A perfect arc, way up high. S for sun, warm and bright. Giving us life with its light. T for tree, tall and green. With leaves that dance in the serene. U for umbrella, when it rains. Keeping us dry from drops and stains. V for van, on the road it goes. Taking us places fast or slow. W for water, clear and cool. Swim in it or sit by the pool. X for xylophone, what a sound. Music it makes as you stride.